Are you looking to buy and sell a home at the same time without ending up homeless? Hey everyone, Curtis Chism with the Chism Realty Group, brokered by eXp Realty. If you're looking to buy a new home and you have a current home to sell and you're not exactly sure how to go about it because you need the money from your current home to buy that new home, and maybe you're worried about going homeless or having to move in with family temporarily to make this transition, I have a fantastic program that I offer through a partner called the Home Trade-In Program. This Home Trade-In Program allows you to shop for a new replacement home that you're going to move into, make offers on it, get into contract on it, and buy that home, then turn around and sell your existing home. And what happens is you actually get the equity, most of the equity from your current home, so you can make that down payment on your new home and then move into it. Then once you've moved out, we do whatever we need to do to get your home ready to sell for top dollar, and we market the home and then we sell your home for top dollar, and then you get the difference between the selling price and the amount that they gave you up front for that home. It's a fantastic way to buy and sell a home at the same time. If that's something that is interesting to you, please reach out and let's have a conversation about how this program can work for you and your specific situation.